Here's the white model 3800. Put that spool on top, find the first little metal hook, and then line it up with that tension knob so it goes around the bottom of the tension knob. And then I'm going to hook it in this big hook right here from the right side. We're going to go back up to that take-up lever. It has to be all the way up. So I'll turn my hand wheel until it's all the way up. And then the thread can actually just kind of wind around the back to get stuck inside it. You don't actually have to thread it. And then as we work our way back down, there's a hook right above where the needle is. And then the last one is the needle. So I turn the flywheel again, get the needle all the way up, and go from the front to the back through the needle. Pull it gently. Try not to get a little knot in it. If you do, you can just kind of flip it under the bottom of the needle. And then for the bobbin, you just flip this little metal thing up and kind of get your fingers in there. It's a little awkward, but get your fingers in there, pull the bobbin case out. It's like a little apple with a stem. The bobbin is going to have the thread coming off of it on the right side, so spinning around it clockwise when you drop it into the case. So you drop it into the case, find that first little slit, and then work your way to that opening on the case, and make sure you can pull the thread pretty freely through the bobbin case. Then you're going to put it back in there. The stem of the case is on the top. You'll hear it click in, and then it won't move around anymore. And then you're going to grab the thread that's through the needle, turn the flywheel towards you, always towards you. So the needle's going to go down, pick up the thread, and you'll see it pop up once you give that needle thread a little tug. You'll see the bobbin thread pop up under the needle and pull it out.